How to fix videos not playing on iPhone. First thing is just switch off your iPhone and turn it on again. Sometimes simply doing that fixes the issue. The next thing you can do is go inside your video, and inside your video, if it is not playing, what you can do is click on the 3 line which is at the bottom right beside the double I. This will open up the editing software, and over here just trim the video. You don't need to trim it for like too long, just trim like the last couple of seconds of the video over here. Once you do that, what you can do is click on done at the top right corner and click on save video as new clip. Once you do that, it's going to save the video again as a new clip, and it should kind of work. But if it still doesn't work and it still doesn't place, what you can do is just try to send this video to your email. Click on the arrow pointing up button at the bottom left corner and scroll up until you see the option called the mail. Click on mail and send this video to your email, and then try to open the video from your mail. It should open now. So these are the things you can do to fix video not playing on iPhone issue. If you have recorded a corrupted video using your iPhone, then there's no way it's gonna play whatever you do, so you need to keep that in mind. All right, hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.